Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law. Today we are going to talk about what the true cost of a fine is for a felony drug offense in Coweta County, Georgia. I've got some notes here with me, so be patient as I look at those because I want to give you some really good information to talk with your lawyer about before you're ever entering a plea to a drug case in Coweta that has a fine. And be aware of this if anywhere in the circuit, but these numbers come from a real life drug case in Coweta County, Georgia. And we want to talk about some different fines. So anytime there's a fine, there's a base fine, right? You might have a $1,500 fine or a $1,000 fine or a $2,500 fine. We're going to use a $1,500 base fine as our kind of baseline for this video. So on a $1,500 fine, you're usually looking at the court adding in an additional $100 for court costs. You're also looking at $50 in a state surcharge, $160 to the Indigent Defense Fund. You're looking at $160 county surcharge, which is a jail fee, $80 for a crime victims assistance program, which is complete bullshit because drug crimes are victimless. So don't even get me started on how freaking stupid that shit is. You're also looking at an $800 drug surcharge, also effing ridiculous. That is 50% of the base fine plus the court cost. You're looking at a $50 crime lab surcharge. This comes out to $2,900, which is absolutely absurd. So if you're entering a plea to something like this, you may be thinking, oh, my fine's $1,500. I'll pay that off, be off probation. No, you won't. So your probation doesn't necessarily terminate upon payment of that fine anyway, but your fines and fees have almost doubled from what you signed up for. And this is information that is not gone over in the plea proceeding. It's not on the record. There is no way that you would know that unless your attorney talks to you about it. You know, I didn't go through the percentages so much, just use an example from a $1,500 fine, but on a $2,500 fine in Coweta County, which we've seen before, that fine comes out to $4,650. So be very, very careful before you're entering pleas for drug crimes because the fees can get out of control. And one thing that's different between drug crimes and other are the drug surcharge. So there's $800 added on to this $1,500 fine. That's about $1,300 on a $2,500 fine, and it really, really adds up quick. So as always, smash the subscribe button and follow along for some more useful info about criminal defense here in Georgia.